salt.
I love you. No idea she was doing that thing. I had no idea. Just happened. ¿Qué es lo que estaba haciendo?
Let's get pumped.
Where you want to do?
Pump it up.
You're
Crunk it up.
You're at a cathedral. You're supposed to be spirituals.
I'm always spiritual.
Sane.
Who says that you can't be
Wait, show me.
spiritual and sane?
What's wrong with your? What's wrong with your shoulders, dude? I'm in the mood for a smoothie.
I know. I thought we decided. This is nice.
This is a beautiful area here in Santa Fe, isn't it? It's a really nice area.
It's gorgeous. We're trying to get these guys pumped so we can go walk around.
We're gonna go walk around and see if we go for.
We're gonna go get that smoothie.
We're gonna go see if we get a smoothie somewhere and
A smoothie.
a smoothie. That's what we're doing.
Okay,
We're gonna go
that's it.
check that place
We're
out.
gonna be oxygenated and we're gonna be healed the day. All
Did
these things in one day. I mean, it's St. Francis of Assisi. We're walking in the Cathedral Park.
Very, very nice.
We're doing well. San Francisco Street. We're gonna find San Francisco.
All right, let's go. So we stopped at Santa Fe Oxygen Bar, an apothecary, to get some smoothies. Cheers. It is nice, isn't it? It's a really nice spot. I like it.